Good morning, students. So today let's start with our next lesson, that is industries. Now you all are very familiar with the word industries. There are different types of industries. So today we are going to study about that different types of industries. So let's start. Our first industry is the textile industry. Now what is the meaning of the textile industry? The textile industry is primarily concerned with the design, production and distribution of yarn, cloth and clothing. The raw material may be natural or synthetic using products of the chemical industry. Our second industry is the aircraft industry. Now as you can see in the picture, you can get some idea what means the aircraft industry. The aircraft industry is the industry supporting aviation by building aircraft and manufacturing aircraft parts for their maintenance. This includes aircraft and parts used for civil aviation and military aviation. Our third industry is the film industry. Now you all like watching films. There is not any person that who has not watched any film, right, students? So film industry comprises the technological and commercial institutions of filmmaking, that is film production companies, film studios, cinematography, animation, film production, screenwriting, pre-production, post-production, film festivals. Though the expense involved in making film almost immediately lead film production to concentrate under the auspices of standing production companies. Advances in affordable filmmaking equipments and expansion of opportunities to acquire investment capital from outside the film industry itself have allowed independent film production to evolve. So our next industry is the tea industry. Now as you can see in the picture, some ladies are removing the leaves of the tea. Now tea, everybody is very familiar with the word tea. Now what is tea? That everybody knows it. At home everybody consume tea, right? Not you must not be consuming, but your parents, your grandparents, they consume tea. So what is exactly tea industry? What is exactly tea? Tea is an aromatic beverage commonly prepared by pouring hot or boiling water over curry or fresh leaves of the camellia sinensis, an evergreen shrub native to East Asia. After water, it is most widely consumed in the world. There are many different types of tea, as we know, right? People consume black tea, people consume green tea. So in these industries like this, different types of teas have been prepared. Our next industry is the brassware industry. The brassware industry employed around 350,000 workers in this sector, directly and indirectly. There were around 24,000 units, with 850 exporting units in the cluster. Others were manufacturing units, popularly known as karkhanedars. That is, karkhanedars means small enterprises. It works in the small enterprises and household or micro enterprises. Next is the shipbuilding industry. Shipbuilding is the construction of ships and other floating vessels. It normally takes place in a specialized facility known as a shipyard. Shipbuilders, also called shipwrights, follow a specialized occupation. Next is the woolen industry. Now woolen industry, as you can see in the picture also, you get some ideas. Can you see in the picture? See, what is mean of the woolen. Woolen means you can see here also, see the sweaters or how it is made. Different 3 pictures are there, so you can see different things in the 3 different pictures. So in India, woolen textile and clothing industry is relatively small compared to the cotton and man-made fiber based textiles and clothing industry. The woolen sector plays an important role in linking the rural economy with the manufacturing industry, represented by small, medium and large scale units. So our next industry is the cotton industry. The cotton plays an important role in the Indian economy as the country's textiles industry is predominantly cotton based. India is one of the largest producers as well as exporters of cotton yarn. The cotton industry is also the second largest employer in the country after agriculture, providing employment to directly and indirectly included unskilled women and other people also. So students, by this we are end with our topic industry. So just go through the video properly, and in the PPT whatever notes will be given, that you have to copy it in your GK notebook. Thank you students.